Good morning, Amanda. Yes, it's going to be a little bit of a wet one once again out there, although we are seeing above seasonal temperatures across the board, contending with that low pressure system that's still going to be impacting our region. We'll mostly see cloudy conditions across the board, as well as about 5 to 10 millimeters of accumulated rainfall in certain areas, specifically in eastern parts of Nova Scotia and Cape Breton. We're looking at highs of 8 in Fredericton and Halifax, and 7 is your high in Charlottetown. Here in Newfoundland and parts of Labrador, and it is a wet start to the day, and that's pretty much the name of the game for this Tuesday, November 19th. We're going to continue to see some cloud coverage as well as those showers throughout the day today, especially in Prince Edward Island, over on Cape Breton Island, and in eastern parts of Nova Scotia and New Brunswick. We're going to continue to see the rainfall also in Newfoundland and some flurry rain action up in Labrador. As we take a look here at our satellite and radar from this morning, we're seeing that system moving through. So we're still contending with that low pressure that was just to the south of Newfoundland and Nova Scotia. And we do still have that special weather statement in effect for parts of Newfoundland around high tide today. The higher water levels are potential causing flooding on the coast. So that is something to consider if you are heading out and about today. But as we take a look here at our radar and satellite, like I said, a lot of precipitation coming through. We're going to continue to see those showers throughout the day, some drizzle at times. So not a whole lot of hard, heavy rain coming through, but we are going to continue to see that into the night tonight as well as into Wednesday morning. So we're going to start to see the system moving a little bit more towards the western parts of Nova Scotia and New Brunswick overnight and into the early hours of Wednesday. But for the next 24 hours, what we're looking at for our rainfall outlook is the majority of that rain staying in eastern parts of Nova Scotia into Prince Edward Island and Cape Breton, as well as into Newfoundland and Labrador. So that is where we're going to see the majority of that system hanging around. We are also going to be contending with gusting winds as we head throughout our day today. Of course, while that system stays in effect, we are going to continue to see those winds hanging around into the late hours tonight. As we take a look at our sustained winds, we're already seeing a little bit of an increase there, and we are contending with gusting wind as we head throughout our day today, especially in Charlottetown and Halifax. We're already seeing 50 kilometer per hour winds, as well as 56 kilometer per hour gusting winds in Yarmouth. So taking a look here, a little bit cooler up in northern parts of New Brunswick, while we're seeing a significant warm up throughout the southern portion of the province, all above seasonal. We're usually used to seeing about that 4 degrees at this time of year. That most significant rainfall, again, hanging around in Prince Edward Island, Cape Breton, and eastern parts of Nova Scotia. Mostly cloud coverage for western parts of Nova Scotia today. Could see some of those scattered showers coming through the central region as well. Into Labrador, we're going to see that chance of flurries and showers combining, and we're going to see those well above seasonal temperatures for Newfoundland, but again, that rainfall hanging around throughout the day.